Alright guys, so starting off the vlog today. Kinda was raining out, it might rain later today, but fixing a scooter and yeah, we might have a little mini session today. What's up? I guess right there. So yeah. Yep.
So let's get the wheel straight though.
Let's see if that's good. That's enough motion. Right? Alright.
Going over Ethan. Building Gregory another box here.
Bullshit. Kid wants all kinds of crap. Waste of wood.
He has all the stuff here. He's gonna make another box like our old one. Go back to Gregory. Oh yeah, we have some artwork on a new ramp. You guys can see artwork. Alright, Gregory.
Just fixing it up. Pretty sure.
Let's make a nice little scooter session today. We'll have some clips, add them on. You guys will see those.
I think I'm landing a double whip flat today.
Really?
Probably won't get it. Yep.
Really?
Yeah. Alright, so we just finished our Domino's. Now we're gonna go ride to another place that we know of and do a little bit of mini session. So yeah. Yeah.
Alright, we'll get back to you when we're there.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Alright, bye.
What was that?
I have a piano lesson. That's okay though.
I
Yeah.
guess we can get some videos of you playing piano. I'll
some
say it in the back, yeah. Alright, we'll get back to you.
Yeah.
He's gonna try to do a really long fakie. Let's see how it works. Keep going, keep going. Keep going. Yeah! I don't want it. Need some more speed. Final. And then he's going to piano lessons soon. So yeah. Alright, let's go. Alright, this is good. This is good. Yeah, here we go. Keep going, keep going. You got speed now, it's rolling downhill. No. Keep going, keep going. Go! Come on. Alright, here we go.
On this one.
little line. Yeah. Alright, let's go.
Alright.
Alright, well, I guess we have a clip of piano, action.
Yeah.
Alright, so yeah,
See
we're
you
back.
later. Alright, so what are we doing here?
Well, we're actually working on, well, I'm not working on it, Ethan is. He's working on the box.
We're working on a box.
He's working on the box. Ethan is, and the metal to the side. It's pretty cool. Got some clips, little session going.
I have a second box.
For a vlog. Wait, if you guys like these vlogs, leave a like, because I'll
Yeah.
make more of them.
Comment below. We gotta know if these are stupid vlogs or if they're worth it.
Tell us if they're too long, too short. But yeah.
I raise your confidence a lot.
What'd you say about our YouTube channel?
You have like 30 subscribers. He says I'm gonna get 1,000 views. And in the comments it's gonna say like hipster fag, something like that. So if he does get 1,000 views, I'll see the hipster under there.
I have no idea
Words
what
of
you
wisdom.
Yeah, what did you just say?
No, tell us your words of wisdom.
Because in the comments.
Alright, so we're cleaning up. We're gonna do a little session. We got our.
Are we using this chalk?
What? No, we're not using that chalk. We got our lights, speakers. You can see that. And then our new box, thanks to Ethan.
Oh,
Yeah.
Making myself
Pissing off all the neighbors.
in the shadows.
Oh!
But if we can hump dead animals and antelopes, then there's no reason that a man and another man can't elope. But if you feel like I feel, I got the antidote. Women wave your pantyhose, sing the chorus, and it goes. I'm Slim Shady, yes, I'm the real Shady. All you other Slim Shadys are just imitating. So won't the real Slim Shady please stand up? Please stand up, please stand up. 'Cause I'm Slim Shady, yes, I'm the real Shady. All you other Slim Shadys are just imitating. So won't the real Slim Shady please stand up? Please stand up, please stand up. Spend the white bubbles, rap and sell records. Well, I do. So think I give a damn about a Grammy?
Back. Going to check out skate choppers at the park, make some more clips there. A little later, and get some food. Stay tuned.
Yeah, found a couple places.
Alright, well, for some skate chops now. MX here. Well, decks and scooters. The X4s. Yeah, no seats yet.
in the coffin.
Alright, so I just landed a double.
I almost landed.
Flat, not flat, but like foot off the ground.
I could have landed a double table.
Almost landed a double. So yeah, that sums up our little vlog. First vlog edit.
Not really long.
Oh, yeah, pretty long vlog. Yeah. So tell us what you think. You know, like it,
Let us know in the comments. Like it, dislike it.
stupid. Yeah, alright. So see you guys later.